How to add multiple audio in Instagram Reels. By default, Instagram doesn't let you add multiple audio in same Instagram Reel. So you have to use third-party video editing app. So for example, I'm using CapCut for my video editing. Now tap on New Project. Now select any video you want to add. Now tap on Add Audio. Now tap on Sounds. Now go to Folder. Now tap on Device. If you want to add another audio, go to Sounds again, go to Folder, and tap on Device again. Now tap on Export to save video. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question or want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.